When we read data from a file, Python keeps the track of where we are inside that file using something called a file pointer. Each time we read or write, this pointer moves forward automatically. But sometimes we might want to move back and forth in the file. For example, maybe to reread something or skip certain paths. That's exactly where random access and seek function comes into play. So the syntax is simple, f.seek, and you pass offset, and then second argument is from. Here offset is how many bytes you want to move, and from tells Python where to start counting from. There are three possible values for from. 0 means start counting from the beginning of the file. So f.seek 0,0 moves the pointer right back to the start. 1 means start counting from the current position. You can use positive or negative offsets here to move forward or backward. 2 means start counting from the end of the file. This is often used when you want to append data or inspect the end of the large files. You can check the pointer's position using tell function. Up till now we have been working with text files where Python reads and writes human readable strings like word, numbers in plain text form. But what if we want to work with raw binary data? For example, when saving images, videos, or serialized numeric data. For that, Python provides a binary file handling mode such as WB for writing, RB for reading, and AB for appending binary data. Let's look at an example. Here we open a file called file.bin using WB, which means write binary. Next, we define a list of numbers that are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, to write numeric data directly to a binary file, we just can't use write function on the list itself, because write expects a sequence of bytes, not integers. So we use the built-in byte array function to convert our list of integers into a sequence of byte values. Each number in the list becomes a single byte. After that, write method stores these bytes into the file exactly as they are. No encoding, no formatting, just pure binary data. Finally, we close the file to ensure all data is saved properly. The resulting file, file.bin, now contains 5 bytes of data, 1 byte for each number in the array. So to summarize, writing to a binary file involves opening a file in binary mode, converting your data to a sequence of bytes, and using write to store it. This approach ensures that your data is preserved exactly as it is without any encoding or formatting changes.